India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
All the applications which were filed by the accused, total 6 applications that was for closure of proceedings, have been dismissed. So it is now fixed on 26 July morning for evidence. The trial will start for accused number 1 to 4 for 26 July morning. As of now, we will apply for the certified copy of the order, and accordingly we will have to see the grounds on basis of which this application has been dismissed, and accordingly we will take the further course of action. This fixed on 26 July morning.
हियरिंग आसली ती जजमेंट पास केला. एप्लिकेशन हांव फायल केल्ली पळय ती फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ केस ती डिसमीस केल्या. आतां ऑर्डर मेळोंक ना. ऑर्डर मेळटूच कळटले ऑन वॉट ग्राउंड्स दोज एप्लिकेशन्स आर डिसमीस, आनी ते नंतर आमी डिसिजन घेतले वेदर इट इज टू बी फायल्ड, एनीथींग इज टू बी फायल्ड इन द हाय कोर्ट ऑर नॉट.